you will learn how to convert files you have on your Windows 11 PC to zip file, 7-zip file, and tar file. Let's just get right into it. The first step is to open your Files Explorer. As the Files Explorer opens, get to the folder containing the files you want to convert to zip or any other format. So I'll click on Documents. Now scroll down until you get to the individual files. Alright, let's say I want to convert these PDF files. All I need to do is to select the first one, click on the first one, press and hold on the left button of my mouse and click on the rest. Okay, which after that I'll start the conversion from here. But I have a special folder that contains the files I want to convert to zip, tar, and 7-zip. So let's get to the folder straight. Alright, and that's the folder I named Sample Files Convert. I don't want to get confused, and that's why I group these files inside this folder. So I'll double click on it. So look at the files here. So I'll click on the first one, then press down the Control key of my computer keyboard and start clicking on the rest of these files. Yes, they have been selected. So after their selection, take your cursor to one of the files, just as you can see on the screen right now. Right click. Okay, you will see some options. Select Compress to. Then let's say in this case, I want to convert to zip file. I'll select zip file. Then this shows a name automatically based on the files that are here, but I want to change the name. Let's call this zip file 1. Okay, zip file 1. After you're done giving it your name, press the enter key of your computer keyboard. And you can see this folder right now, zip file folder, contains a lot of files which are here. So let's double click and see if the files are there. And you can see they are all here. So this is how to convert to zip file in Windows 11 PC. Now let's go to the other conversion methods. First, select the files. I'll click on this first one, press down on the Control key and start clicking on the rest of these files. Alright, now they have finished, they are now selected. Then take your cursor to one of the files, right click, select the option of Compress to. Here, let's work with 7-zip file. I'll select that. Then this comes with the name, which is one of the files name here. So let's call this, I'll change the name and call it 7-zip sample. 7-zip sample. Alright. Then I'll press enter key for it to be saved. Let's double click to check if the files are there. Really, I'll double click on this and you can see all the files are here. So let's get to the next one, the next file conversion. As usual, click on the first file, press down on the Control key of your computer keyboard and start selecting all these ones. Alright, start clicking on them. After that, right click. On right clicking, select Compress to and select tar file. So you can see we have created a zipped tar file here. So I'll change the name. Let's call this tar compressed. Okay, let me call it, you can call it any number, right? Tar compressed. After that, press enter. So let's convert it. I'll double click on it. You can see everything is inside. So it's as simple as that. So whenever you want to make this kind of conversion, just follow these steps. But note, if you're not seeing this feature, you need to update your PC to the current or updated versions of Windows 11. For you to do that, click on this, select settings, click on Windows Update, then click on check for updates. Once the update is downloaded, you need internet connection, restart, and you're good to go. Alright, everything will be there. If this content is helpful, consider subscribing. Leave a comment and hit the like button. Thank you and see you some other time.